Myself, Abhishek GB, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, PS College of Engineering, Mandya. In this session, I am going to explain block level. Aim of the experiment: conduct block leveling and contour plan of a given area. Contour is an imaginary line on the ground surface joining the points of equal elevation. The process of tracing the contour on the ground surface is called contouring. The map, which consists of contour lines, is called the contour map. In the figure, you can see the contour map. The vertical distance between two consecutive contour lines is called contour interval. It is constant for a contour map. The horizontal distance between two adjacent contours is called horizontal equivalent. There are mainly two methods to locate the contour: direct method and indirect method. Direct method of contouring: the reduced level of various selected points on a contour line are obtained and their positions are located. The contours then drawn by joining these points. It is very accurate method, but it is slow and tedious. There are three different indirect methods. First one by square, second one by cross section, and the third one is by tachyometric method. Divide the area into number of blocks. Here we consider 5 meter by 5 meter block, and here set the instrument where you can take the maximum number of readings. In the similar manner, we consider this area for the block leveling, and this block is divided into 5 by 5 meter by using the arrows. We have set up the auto level instrument and the temporary adjustments are done. Select the temporary benchmark, hold the leveling staff on temporary benchmark, take the reading and note it down as backside. The reading taken on the temporary benchmark is 1.340 meter. We are given the notation for the block as A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Similarly for B0, C0, D0, E0 and F0. First hold the leveling staff on A0. Considering the RL of temporary benchmark, that is 100 meter, calculate the height of the instrument, that is 101.340 meter. Enter the reading as A0, that is 1.465 meter as intermediate side. Similarly, we should take the readings in each point of the block. Enter the readings taken on the block and calculate the reduced level of the block by using height of instrument method. After calculating the reduced level of all the blocks, enter the reduced level in the block, that is 99.975. After entering all the reduced level in the block, we have to draw the contour by arithmetic interpolation method. Before going to the interpolation, first we have to calculate the contour interval. Here the contour interval equals highest RL minus lowest RL divided by number of contours, and the number of contours depends on the ground condition. If the ground condition is plain, we are going to consider less number of contours. If the ground condition is undulated, we are going to consider more number of contours. In this case, the highest RL is 100.005 and the lowest RL is 99.005. We are going to consider number of contours as 4. Here we have calculated the contour interval, that is 0.25 meter. For the 4 contours, first we have to select the least RL, that is 99.005 meter, and we have to add the contour interval, that is 0.25 meter, till the 4th one. After getting 4 contours, we have to plot the contour by arithmetic interpolation method, that is distance by difference of RL points into required contour minus RL of the point. For plotting, we are going to consider the second contour, that is 99.255 meter. Here the distance between the two blocks is 1 meter and the difference between the two RL points, that is 99.005 and 99.875 is 0.87 meter, and the required contour is 99.255 meter minus RL of the point is 99.005 meter. So we get 0.30 meter. After getting 0.30 meter by interpolation, mark it on the block. After marking the points by interpolation, we are going to plot the contour. Similarly, this is the another contour drawn on the block, that is 99.755 meter. This completes block leveling. Thank you.